Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Bent Rod Boys. I got Derek here with me, and today we're going to one of the classic spots that we love so dearly. We're going to be using some top waters to try and target some trout, see if we can get some top water blow-ups, and then basically see whatever else we can get. Obviously, once top water dies off, we'll switch to, of course, the pedal tails like we always use. But you know, we stick with it because it works so well. You know, it's a beautiful day out here. 3-mile-an-hour winds. Couldn't ask for any better weather. It's nice and sunny. It's an outgoing tide. Well, incoming until, about 9:30 in the morning, and then it's going to switch to outgoing. So the water's going to be up. So hopefully the fish will be moved in, and we will get some good bites for you guys. But, we hope you guys enjoy today's video, and we'll keep you guys updated. We'll see you soon. Peace. Alright, good morning, guys. Sorry, we are out here fishing this flat with some top waters. It's a gorgeous morning out. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now. Tracking down a pot of bait probably about 50 yards in front of me. We're just kind of slowly trying to make our way towards it. Just seeing stuff blow up inside the pod. But like I said, we're starting off with top waters as usual, trying to get some blow-ups. Got the bone-colored spook. And we are just going to see what we can do. There's pods of bait absolutely everywhere. And we're just making long casts and just seeing if we can hook up. Whew, my arm is burning. Dude, Jesus, my arm is burning. I bet you honestly, that little pod right there, I bet you that's a little pod of finger mullet. That's what it looks like when I see him jump. Yeah. They're like a little tiny finger mullet. You need a cast net. Yeah. Get some of those and go throw those underneath the fucking dock over there. Oh, there we go. Oh, he spit it. Like mine. Dude, I literally had to twitch once, and he was on. There it is again. What the hell do I have? I got a trout. Not a bad one either. Hell yeah. Alright, alright. Calm down there, pal. Yep, I know. Yep, okay.
My pliers are underwater. But guess what? They don't rust.
Yeah, that's how these are too, thankfully. It's the only thing I hate about top waters, amigo.
Oh, big mullet.
Yeah, it was. Only thing I hate about top waters.
What?
Fucking 2 treble hooks. Now I have twice as much of a chance of hooking myself. Not a bad first start. Not a bad first one right there. Beautiful trout. First fish of the day.
Looks like I can get hooked up.
Let her go. She's back down in the drink. Oh, 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 oh.
The big one would have done that here. Oh! shit! Oh! This will wake you up?
Yeah, a little bit actually. Jesus.
Not another bad one.
That honestly, that scared me. Holy crap, man. That's not a bad one. Dude. Numero 2. That's, oh! Oh!
Damn.
That's a good one.
Huh?
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's actually fighting me. Oh! Oh!
Damn.
Oh!
Holy shit, that is a tank.
Dude, don't lose it! Don't lose it! Don't lose it!
That's a tank. Holy shit.
Oh my god. Dude, that might be the...
Oh my god. That thing is a giant.
Don't come off. Oh,
That's a giant.
dude. Oh, I can't even wrap my hand around him.
That thing is
Holy shit.
That is a giant, bro.
Oh my god.
You better give me let me get a picture.
Hold on. Please take my rod and let out some slack, please. Holy crap. Just open the bill. Yeah. Just let us some slack. Appreciate it. Dude.
That is a giant, bro. That's bigger
Look
than your PB.
at this stud. Look at the shoulders on that thing. Holy crap, man.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my god. What do you got, amigo? It ain't coming up. Oh, there it is. Is it fighting you?
A little bit.
Oh. Dude, all of them have been healthy today.
All right.
Everyone that we've... Oh, hold on. Every one of them that we've landed today, they've been healthy, you know what I mean? They're not the fucking little stinkers that we've been getting on the paddle tails. Nice. Well, Derek's hooked up. Getting a couple of drag clicks. Could be a good one. We don't know. Definitely a trout though. Maybe, I don't know. What the hell? Yeah, it's a trout. I think. Oh yeah. Not a bad one. Another healthy trout. Dude, nice. That would keep if we were allowed to keep them. Another healthy fish. Dude, they're all healthy today, and that's what I love. They're not little skinny minis. We can't keep you even if we wanted to. And trust me, we would love to.
Thanks for the shower, buddy.
That's the beauty of treble hooks right there. Is it gets a little scary. Oh. 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 Dude. Just eat the dang thing, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a good one. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Dude, he had it. He swam with it and still didn't fully commit. Do it again. Do it again. I haven't had that in at least 20 minutes. Do it again. Please. Give me the satisfaction. Nope, you're not going to. Cool. What a team player.
This is a good one. Oh no, he popped off.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, is he still there? Yeah, he's still there.
What? No way. He probably just popped one of the trebles. That's a good one. It's not coming up. It's definitely a good one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude. They're so freaking healthy today. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh my God. That's a donkey again. Fucking same one that I caught. It could be the same one that I caught. I don't know. The one that I caught was just as pissed off as him. He's a fatty. You gotta go for it, man. You gotta believe. Dude, that's gotta be the same one that I fucking caught. No, it's not. Yeah. He's got a double saber tooth up there. Mine only had the one up top. That's just another stud. That's what that is.
Barely hooked.
Barely fucking hooked. Holy shit. You need to fucking re-grab him is what you need to do. There you go.
My line's all wrapped up in it.
Oh shit. Come on. Buddy, please chill.
He's upside down.
I don't mean shit. I could just piss him off more. Dude. There we go.
I need to grab him good and take the hook out.
Oh, now he's really fucked. Nah, I'd grab him first. That's what I would do. There you go. Oh, look at that. He's fucking flaring the fin too. Dude. Alright, here.
Take the hook out. I got him.
Why do the big ones always get hooked on the bottom of the fucking mouth?
All right, which one?
Where in the fuck, dude? Dude. Jesus Christ almighty. Fucking stud. Jesus Christ. Okay. Dude. There's no way. I don't get it.
Okay.
Oh. Well, that's a first, huh? Fucking needlefish on a topwater, huh? Ain't nothing like it. That is a first, I can gladly say. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry, I actually just caught a really good redfish and I didn't get it on camera because the GoPro decided it got too hot and shut off. But I will make sure at the end of the video I'll include a picture of the redfish for you guys. You guys can see it. Caught it on this juicy looking paddle tail by mirror lure, and he just crushed it. Unreal. Finally hooked up again. Jeez, it's been a little bit. It's been a few minutes since we've had some bites. Derek lost probably the biggest trout of his life, and then got hit again, lost that one as well. So that's the first bite we've had since I caught my redfish. We're now on the opposite side of this dock over here, trying it out. See how well it does. Keep you guys updated. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Somewhat killed it today. You know, we each got a bunch of trout, which is good. We got 2 really great sized trout, and then like I said, I got that redfish that I'm gonna throw the picture on the video for you guys so you can see. It's a pretty good sized redfish. I'd say it's probably slot, if not just under slot, but it was a good sized redfish. Definitely put up a fun fight on an ultralight rod with a 3000 size reel, so that was a lot of fun. Yeah, we really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Let us know that you guys are enjoying all the videos we make, and then it'll also help you guys stay tuned for all the future videos. Make sure you hit that like button, let us know that we did okay for you, and drop us a comment, let us know what you guys want to see. But hopefully here soon, this right here will be done, and we'll have some adventures on the water on this boat right here. We look forward to it. We'll keep you guys updated. We'll see you soon. Peace.